Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to find circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle with a center C is a distance around the circle. If I start from A, I will go around the circle. When I come back to A, this means I made a circumference of a circle. We can find the circumference of a circle by using two formulas. Circumference is equal to pi d, or we can use circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Let us see the relationship between these two formulas. Circumference is equal to pi d, but d is equal to radius plus radius. That gives us d. D is equal to 2r. Now, instead of writing d, I'm going to write 2r. My circumference is equal to pi, but my d is equal to 2r. That is 2r. Now, my circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This is how these two formulas relate. Also, we know that diameter is a distance from one surface of a circle to another surface of a circle through the center. And radius is a distance from a center of a circle to a surface of a circle. Pi is a ratio of circumference of a circle to radius, which is constant, given by 3.14 or 22/7. Let us find circumference of the first circle. They have given to us radius is equal to 14 centimeter. I'm going to use pi as 22/7, and our formula, it says that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So my circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference will be equal to 2 multiplied by pi is 22/7 multiplied by r, which is 14. By 7, we get 1. By 7, we get 2. 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4. Multiplied by 22, we get circumference is equal to 88 centimeter. So, the distance around a circle having radius 14 centimeter is equal to 88 centimeter. Let us do question number 2. We're supposed to find circumference of a circle, and they have given to us radius of 17. Radius is 17 centimeter. I'll use pi as 3.14. My formula says that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by pi, 3.14 multiplied by 17. This is equal to 106.76 centimeter. The circumference of a circle having radius 17 is equal to 106.76 centimeter. Hope you understand how to find the circumference of a circle. Circumference is a distance around the circle. For more video on circles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.